Ready?
People build that character in the most unusual way. Gymkhana हमारे लिए बहुत important है. I'm a 10 years practicing professional fencer. I have represented national level, presented at Wilson College, 3 years in national level. And Gymkhana will play a very big role for all of the students who are practicing and they are in Wilson College. Wilson College has always had been a legacy for all the other sports players, and we have built up amazing players who have represented our college in different sports altogether. Not only fencing, I have myself represented fencing, but we have players representing traveling, hockey and many more. Cricket, boxing, football has been one of our legacies. So getting a Gymkhana back will be a very big pleasure for us. We don't understand why we are Gymkhana, why we need to encourage other people for any reason, but we want to come back.
सन्माननीय राजसाहेबांपर्यंत हा विषय गेलेला आहे. काही दिवसातच साहेब सन्माननीय राजसाहेब या विषयावर बोलतील. आता तर ठाकरेंसाठी एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या वाजवा. या सर्व संघटनेनं पुन्हा एका विचारामध्ये एका विश्वासामध्ये कोणत्याही प्रकारचा धर्म जात किंवा अशा प्रकारचा विचार न करता समाजासाठी जी गोष्ट
पिढ्यानपिढ्या इथे दुधात साखरेत तसे आम्ही एकत्र राहतोय. हे काल आले आणि आमच्यावर दादागिरी करायला लागलेले आहेत. घरात समजा घुस आली कधी घुस पाळत नाही, त्या घुशीला एकदा ठार मारतात नाही बाहेर काढतात घरातनं. आता जनता इकडे ह्या आंदोलनात रस्त्यावर उतरणारच आहे. आणि आता तुम्ही सकाळची बातमी बघितली असेल, संजय राऊत सरांनी स्वतः तिकडे सांगितलेलं आहे की आज ते स्वतः ह्या आंदोलनात उतरणार होते, पण असं दिल्लीला सेशनला म्हणून पुढच्या आंदोलनात स्वतः संजय राऊत साहेब, उद्धव बाळासाहेब ठाकरे आणि राजसाहेब हे देखील ह्या लढ्यासाठी रस्त्यावर उतरणार आहेत.
मैदान ही मुंबईमध्ये कमी होतात आणि हे असं मैदान होतं इथे कोणतेही अन्य कार्यक्रम होत नव्हते, फक्त क्रीडासाठी मैदान होतं.
आधी आम्ही स्वतः लहानाचे मोठे इकडे झाले आहेत. मधली सुट्टी असेल की शाळेचे स्पोर्ट्स सगळे तिकडे होते, तेव्हा त्याला साधं कंपाऊंड पण नव्हतं. आता बघितलं तर लोखंडी जाळ्यांचा 12-12 फुटाचं बॅरिकेड उभे केलेत. तिकडे आतमध्ये अतिथी घ्यायला होणार आहे. बाहेरनं फोटो जरी काढायला गेले बाउन्सर धाव देतात अंगावर. का त्यांना भीती कसली वाटते? आत्ता जाऊन बघितलं तिकडे जे त्यांनी माहितीप्रमाणे त्यांनी मान्य केलं होतं की याचा जो मूळ ढाचा आहे त्यात आम्हाला काही हलवणार नाही, काय नाही. तिकडे टर्फ क्लब सरकारच्या नाकावर उभं राहून 150 फूट बाहेर काढलेलं आहे. 150 फूट बाहेर काढलेलं आहे. आम्हाला तर सरळ संशय येतोय त्यांना हा हस्तगत करायचा होता जिमखाना म्हणून त्यांनी मुद्दामून आग लावलेली आहे की काय.
So when you look around for our generation right now, I mean for the future generation right now, there are very few sports areas, open spaces, around. My daughter is 21, and one of the biggest challenges for me was to find a recreational ground in Cuff Parade or in the spaces. So that's when we started fighting for the spaces, and we have a plot called 105 in Cuff Parade, which is got a similar problem to this Gymkhana issue. Any plot of land that this particular politicians see right now, they want to claim it. So what happened with 105, it's a collector's land, and during the metro, they took the land, they put a shed there. They finished the metro work, they were supposed to hand back the shed, the land, which they did not. Then they delayed putting the border for it, which they did not. And then while we were waiting for the land to come back to us, because we look after gardens, open spaces, recreational grounds, we suddenly found out that that was given by the Revenue Minister, Mr. Patil, straight to Lodha to Geo. So that came as a surprise to us because we are maintaining so many gardens with our own money, and with the buildings giving funds, or we collecting funds. So this has set a precedent in all over Bombay. I feel that wherever they see recreational ground, even though the DP plan of 2034 or 2041 says it's a recreational ground, or if it's for a garden, or it's for a particular thing, the government doesn't decide. I mean, doesn't care. So why do we have the MMRDA sitting there with so many people making decisions? We need to, have people accountable. This has to stop. The collector has no business to go against what the MMRDA has said and give this, when it is for a multi-level parking, which is the need of the day, give it to somebody else. I know the issue is not about Cupgrid and Plot 105. What I'm trying to show is similarities in how they are dealing with issues. I think that this land belongs to the children. This land is an open land which should not be charged. Now, if Geo has been given this land, on what grounds? There's also a GR that says that if anybody has a land for so many particular years, they can pay 10% of the ready reckoner's land and you can buy that land from the collector. Is this something that we've not come up yet? Is this something that they're trying to hoodwink all of us citizens? So I request all that we need to put a stop. We need to make them accountable. We need to make them, everything has to be transparent. There has to be protocols followed. This arbitrarily deciding to do things is just completely wrong. So that is one of the reasons I am here. I strongly believe that this Gymkhana belongs to the children, belongs to the sports people, and that's why I'm here, and that's why I think it should go to the children.